He likes grotto falls because you can get in behind it. Maybe just the sound. Just soothing. But you got to remember, although Garen's 25 years old, mentally he's maybe 5. Everything's still, yet, I guess, curious to him. Garen was hitting his milestones, walking and saying words until about 12 months, and then I noticed a change in him, and he, quit saying words and quit looking at us. That's when we take him to the doctor and then diagnosed him with autism. It really hit me. I got nauseated, heartbroken. We had just adjusted that this is what our life's going to be like. I love Garen through food. Give him what makes him happy. And I got him way overweight, and it was increasing pretty quickly. We had went to Dollywood, and they couldn't get the seatbelt buckled on him and made us get off the ride. And he just hung his head down and said, "Let's go home." And that was my aha moment that something had to be done. So we got home, I picked up the phone, I called his pediatric doctor, and he said, "You've got to do something every day, move every day." We went over to Gatlinburg at the Gatlinburg Trail and started doing it a few times. When we first started, easy trails were fine with him, but then when we did start on the harder ones, Garen was so overweight, it was really hard on him. My heart broke because I having to do it to him, but I know it was what was best for him. I would tell him, this is our job now. I'd get him up, sometimes 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning if it was a long hike. He got up, got dressed, and off we would go. We just kept at it and just become obsessed with it.
Find your own way. Oh, my son, stay curious, my boy.
We started just doing harder trails and just worked up until we were climbing mountains. He lost about 80 pounds pretty quick, within like a year. We'll keep working at it. It's a process. Our focus changed from just wanting to lose weight to hiking probably after about 2 months, and the weight really came off. He kind of likes his own space now when we hike. And he sees things on the trail like little tiny frogs and stuff where I miss them. He notices that. I think sometimes he looks at it like we're back in Jurassic Park. And because we get chased by velociraptors and T-Rexes a lot. When we climb a mountain and you can see off in the distance, we see herds of Brachiosaurus and Triceratops. Every trail will have something unique and different about it and on it. A lot of people think, well, they're all the same. You're out there in the woods and the woods all look the same. But no, although they were hard trails and long trails, when we got the trail done, it was like, okay, I'm on to the next trail. It's one step at a time, one trail at a time, one memory at a time. As long as I'm able physically, and Garen's able physically to do it, we will hike. he needs it, and I need it. And it's our time together that nobody can take away from us. I was asked a question the other day. If I knew when we started and what we had to go through to complete all the trails, would I do it again? First thing come to my mind is no. There's no way that I would do it, because I think about the mountains, the hard mountains that we climbed, and just struggling. But then after thinking about it and the memories that we have, yes, yeah, I would start and do it again. Darren keeps me going. He's my buddy, my best buddy. So if I could tell other parents, as long as your child is healthy, get them on a trail, whether it be the national park, a state park. Spend time with them. Yes, you'll never regret it. You'll never regret it. It's just the best. And I guess that's too one of the things that keeps me going back into the woods.
So won't you please come?